Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well guys, today I'm here with another special recipe. The recipe that I'm going to cook today is specially made by Chang tribe of Nagaland. So let's see what I'm going to make. Before making, I will show you the ingredients. Red kidney beans I'm using. You can use any other kidney beans, any rajma you can use. In Nagaland we call it Kolar. I guess it's from Chang language, so everybody know what is Kolar. So this red Kolar I'm going to use and smoked pork, just one piece of smoked pork because only for 2 people I'm going to make. And these 2 different type of bamboo shoot I'm going to use, this one and this, and red dry chili. You can use green chilies also. Ginger and this white sesame seed. I think they call it Naam. So this I'm going to use. By the way, before adding this, I'm going to roast it and I'm going to pound it a bit. These are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. So smoked pork with Kolar and sesame seed. So guys, let's start cooking. So first of all, I'll wash this and I'll cut it. I've washed the smoked pork and I've cut it in small pieces. So here goes the smoked pork, ginger, Kolar, this dry red chilies, and salt. Add water. We will cook this like half an hour, and the sesame seed and bamboo shoot I will add later on. Cover it and we'll cook for half an hour. By the time you can cook rice, chutney and whatever. Okay guys, now we will roast this naam. Don't leave it even for a few seconds, otherwise it will burn very easily. Don't burn the naam sesame seed, just for 2-3 minutes you need to roast it. Roasting is done. Now I'm going to pound it. Well guys, it's like half an hour, so I'm going to off the flame. We will wait till the pressure is all gone. By the time I've already roasted the sesame seed, that naam, so now I'm going to pound it. This is the roasted sesame seed. Now, by all your strength and by all your might, you just pound it. It will take some time, so see you after some time. Okay guys, let's open and see how is it. Let me check the Kolar. It's cooked properly. It's not overcooked also, and it's not kacha also. Bhalbra pakishe zigzag. Now we will add this bamboo shoot, and for this you tear it. Without adding the bamboo shoot also you can cook. And this is the sesame seeds that I have pounded. It's called Naam in Chang language. So I will add this 1 spoon and 2 spoons. Yeah, this will do. Now we will cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, just cover like this and cook like 10-15 minutes. By the way, this sesame seed you can order it in Flipkart and in Amazon also. And guys, if you want to buy the sesame seeds, I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can buy it from there. My Chang relatives and my Chang friends, they usually use this white one, and like I have seen that they won't pound it like fully. Like I have seen my lotha on this, they will pound the sesame seeds till the oils come out from the sesame seeds. In lotha it's called penjang, but my Chang relatives and my Chang friends, I have seen that they will not pound it fully, just little bit. You just crush the seeds, that's all. So these are the difference. But both I like, the white one, the Naam, I like in Kolar and smoked pork, and also penjang I like in smoked pork and other smoked meat also. After 7-8 minutes you can stir it a bit. So guys, our smoked pork is done. Well guys, this is the recipe for today. I really enjoyed cooking it because like after a long time I've cooked this. I guess in many of my videos I have said like after a long time I'm going to have this, after a long time I'm going to make this. Like it's been like almost like 11 years I've been staying in Delhi NCR, so it's a long time. So, and I was staying in a hostel, so okay, blah blah blah, just leave that all. So this is the recipe. I'm really going to enjoy it, and thanks to my cousin also. She told me that even if you don't add bamboo shoot, the recipe will be tasty with smoked pork, kolar and Naam. And she said like if you want to add bamboo shoot, it's up to you. So I've added bamboo shoot, but if you don't have bamboo shoot, you can even avoid it, and I guarantee you that the recipe will be tasty. And my dear cousin, if you're watching this video, thank you so much, Achung Chang, for giving me instruction, and it came out so tasty. I wish you were here so that you could taste my recipe. So thank you so much, Achung, and thank you so much guys also for watching this video. And if you really like this, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also hit the notification icon. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.